In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume website on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're looking to establish a professional online presence with minimal effort and cost, you've come to the right place. Google Sites is a free, user-friendly tool that lets you create a website quickly without any coding knowledge. Let's dive right in and start building your resume website. First, open your browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Google Sites and hit Enter. This will bring up the relevant search results. Click on the first link you see, which should be the official Google Sites webpage. This is where we'll start building your customized resume website. Once on the Google Sites landing page, you'll notice a plus icon, usually associated with starting something new. Click the plus icon to begin creating a new site from a blank template. This blank canvas gives you the freedom to structure and design your site as you see fit. Now let's give your site a unique identity. In the top left corner of the page, click where it says Untitled Site and type in your desired name. Consider something professional that reflects the nature of the content you'll be displaying, such as portfolio of your name or your name resume. Naming your site is the first step toward defining your online brand. With your site named, it's time to add key pages to house different types of information. Navigate to the Pages tab in the sidebar, where you'll add distinct sections. Click the plus icon, then select New Page to get started. Name your first page Home, which will serve as the landing page, and give visitors a short introduction to who you are and what you do. Next, think about other essential pages to include. You might want an About Me section detailing your background, skills, and experience. A portfolio projects page is perfect for showcasing your best work, while a resume/CV page can be used to upload or embed a digital resume. Don't forget a contact page to provide any prospective clients or employers a way to reach out, whether that be through a form or direct social media links. As you create these pages, it's time to populate them with content. On the portfolio page, think about adding work samples. Click Insert, then choose either Images for photos and designs, or Drive for existing work stored as PDFs, docs, or slides. You can even create an image carousel to display multiple items in a sleek, rotating gallery. Once your content is in place, let's put some finishing touches on the design. Click on the Theme tab to explore different colors and text styles. Choose a theme that complements your personal brand or the industry you're targeting. This is an easy way to make your site visually appealing and unique. Finally, after reviewing all the pages and ensuring everything reflects the way you want to present yourself professionally, it's time to go live. Click Publish in the top right corner. You'll be asked to choose a web address for your site. Once decided, click Publish again. And just like that, your website will be live for the world to see. Congratulations! You've successfully created a resume website using Google Sites. You now have a personal space on the web that showcases your talents and skills to potential employers or clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.